Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most frequently used words in daily life. Hello.
你好，
Bye.
再见，
Yes.
是，
No.
不，
Thank you.
谢谢，
You're welcome.
不客气，
Sorry.
对不起，
How are you?
你好吗？
Good.
好，
Bad.
不好，
It's okay.
还好，
Maybe.
也许，
Of course.
当然，
I.
我，
You.
你，
You.
您，
He.
他，
She.
他，
We.
我们，
They.
他们，
What.
什么，
When.
什么时候，
Where.
哪里，
Why.
为什么，
How.
怎么，
Quiz time.
你，你，当然，当然，
The answer is.
谢谢，谢谢，再见，再见，
The correct answer is.
什么时候？什么时候？对不起，对不起，
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next video.